Thank you. Bye bye. Guys, taste namin yung binili namin milk tea while waiting sa pho. Nagtutig 20k. This is passion fruit.
Kabaho sa ano? Sa shop talaga. Oh, 23 years old. Pero meron siya kung ito sa akin.
Opo. Okay na isa.
May sila sa access to eh, dalawang yun.
Asim! Yeah, so ito naman is usual lang tiger sugar. Oh, ngayon ko lang nilunok kung kailan. Ay, sarap. Sarap. Ngayon ko lang nilunok. Sarap.
This is our dinner for today. We will about to eat what do you call this? Pho noodles. Hot.
At ganito po ang upuan nila. Talagang kain maliliit. So, ang mga tenders sa po dito, magtatayo. Same lang ng itsura ng una namin.
Good morning, everyone. It is a safety requirement that all hand-carried items are securely stowed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. Once the overhead compartment is full, we appreciate your
magaling nag-English ngayon. Filipino yan.
and opening the compartment.
Pinoy yan. So, nagtatagalog. Ay, nagtatagalog. Already moving. But we're watching movie. Here guys, dito kami sa boarding and as you can see, lounge area, resting area. Ayun si Daddy. Ayun si Dada. Meanwhile, nandito si Mami. May kaway ka dito, ganun ka. Thank you. Sitting sa gilid right now by the window. Yay!
Kasama kayo.
Mama.